How to reset your Instagram Explorer page.
If the content on their Instagram Explore page doesn't match their preferences, many people prefer to reset it to see new and fresh content. This also helps to avoid any unwanted, inappropriate, or offensive posts and clear their search history. Please follow below ways to reset your Instagram Explorer page.
1. Clear your search history. Open Instagram app. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your activity. Tap on recent searches. Tap on Clear All. Click on Clear All. Step 2. Tap Not Interested on posts you do not want to see. In case you come across posts on your Explorer page that you don't wish to view, then simply click on a post. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on Not Interested to let Instagram know that you are not interested. Then come back to the Explorer page and refresh. You will not get that content.
Step 3. Follow account you are interested in.
The more accounts you follow, the more content Instagram will have to show you on your Explorer page. So, if you're interested in a particular topic or niche, be sure to follow accounts that post content about that topic. So, I am interested in fitness topic, so I type fitness in search bar and I am getting all the content related to fitness. You will find yourself in top tab. Select the type of post you want to see. Here I clicked on one of the videos and then click on the Follow button. Again, come back to the previous page, and under Accounts, click on the user you want to follow. Click on it and click on Follow. Do this for others as well. This will tell Instagram that you're interested in seeing more content like that. Step 4. Manage likes. Open Instagram app. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. Go to Settings and in the search type, Manage Likes, and then click on the post related to them you do not want to see next time onward and then unlove the post. Step 5. Delete the Instagram app's cache and data. By resetting the Instagram app, you can restore its default settings, including your Explore page. To delete the cache and data of the Instagram app, you can follow these steps. Open your phone settings app. Tap on Apps. Search for Instagram and tap on Instagram. Tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache. Tap on Clear Data. After clearing your search history or deleting the cache and data of the Instagram app, a refreshed Explore page will appear and you'll start to see new content. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Thanks from our Tech Room team.